At Grizzly, we strive to bring you the highest quality machines for your shop, and we're proud to offer the G0856 8-inch by 72-inch joiner with spiral cutter head. Let's start with the centerpiece of the G0856 with its popular 8-inch cutter head size featuring 36 razor-sharp indexable inserts. These carbide inserts are super easy to rotate or replace when worn for a crisp cutting edge to help save time and money in the shop. And driving the cutter head is a powerful 3 horsepower 230 volt motor with a convenient on-off pedestal mounted power switch. The G0856 features a precision ground 72-inch cast iron table with smooth dovetailed table ways for simple height adjustment for cuts up to 1/8 inch per pass or 1/2 inch deep rabbets. Easily adjust each table with the large hand wheels and firmly lock them in place. The Precision Ground center-mounted 4 5/8 by 38-inch long fence features built-in 45, 90, and 135-degree angle stops for reliable and repeatable bevel cutting. All this in the G0856 features a convenient built-in mobile base and 4-inch dust port to keep your shop clean and in order. Grizzly is your one-stop shop for joiners of all sizes and styles, and we're proud to offer the G0856 8-inch by 72-inch joiner with spiral cutter head, ready to go for your shop today. And it's available on Grizzly.com.